Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to secure a backup of a website from Plesk Onyx. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you have to log in into your Plesk Onyx control panel. Here, we have used our demo account to show you how to log in into the control panel. Enter the username and password in their respective field and click on the Login button. Congratulations! You are successfully logged in into your Plesk Onyx control panel. Click on the Backup Manager located on the right side of the screen. Once you click on it, one dialog box will be opened with the name Backup Manager. In the web space, select the website name from the drop-down list of which you want to secure a backup. Here, we have selected demovpstest.com as an example. After then click on the OK button to close the dialog box. By clicking on it, one new window will be opened with the name Backup Manager for demovpstest.com. This is the website name of which you want to secure a backup. Here, you can see a list of the backups of the website if you have already taken. Click on the Backup option to secure a backup. By clicking on it, one new window will be opened with the name Backup the subscription. Under the Backup Content section, you will see the Backup option. In parallel, you will get three options. The first one is Domain Configuration. Second one Mail Configuration and Content. And the third one is User Files and Databases. Select the option which you want to secure under a backup. Here, we recommend you to select all the options so you can secure all the important content of your website including database, email accounts and website contents. Next is the Store In. Select the location where you want to store the backup file. If you want to store the backup of your website in the remote system, then you can configure it by clicking on the link Configure Remote Storages. Next is Type. Select the backup type you want to create. Full or incremental. To backup all data, select the Full option. A full backup can include either configuration or configuration and content, depending on what you selected in backup. To backup only the changes made since the time of the previous backup, select incremental. Please note that incremental backups always contain configuration with content, including databases. Database-related content is included in full, while web and mail-related content is backed up incrementally. If no backups have been created yet, the first backup will be a full backup. Next, Backup Settings. In the comment field, enter the comments about the backup. For example, you can enter a custom message such as this backup includes all the configuration and contents of demovpstest.com. This will help you to identify what types of file or folder and of which website you have secured under this backup file. Select this option if you want all log files, including the logs from the system directory, to be excluded from backup. Next, exclude specific files from the backup. Select this option if you do not want to include some files or directories into backup. For example, if you want to exclude the log file of the website, then enter the complete path in the following field. Here, we have entered this path as an example. If you have no access to some files, you can also exclude those files from backup in order to avoid errors. Please note that you can only exclude files within web space. Next, if you want to be notified of the backup completion, then tick this option. When a backup task is completed, send a notification email to. Enter the email address in this field on which you want to receive a notification of the backup completion. Here, we have used nick@accuwebhosting.com as an example. Here, you have to make sure that you have selected the option Use native MS SQL backup functionality if possible. After then click on the OK button to initiate the backup process. Once you click on it, the backup process will be started and it will take a few minutes to complete. It will also depend on the size of your accounts. Once it is completed, you can see it under the Backup Manager option. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to secure a backup of an account from Plesk Onyx. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.